English.
This government of Goenkarpan is what? That a government which has the essence of Goa was formed under the leadership of Manohar Parrikar with disparate coalition partners. Now all of us came together under his leadership because we as a regional party have an aspiration of continuum of development. We believe that when he was defense minister of the country, he ushered in a lot of development in the state, brought in a lot of money for huge infrastructure development and all-round support to the government in Goa. Now we wanted this to continue and therefore decided to bring him from defense minister back home as the chief minister of the state. Now our commitment to this government is complete. Now the BJP national president Mr. Amit Shah has assured me that the BJP national leadership is not interested to have a mid-term poll or to dissolve the house. As such, it means when our commitment is there and their commitment is also there, the onus of this government continuing for the full 5-year term now lies with the central BJP leadership. People of Goa are also watching them because national parties need to keep their word. If they don't keep their word, people don't trust them. So now the onus is on them and they will have to fulfill their commitment to ensuring that this government completes its full term and gets the continued support of the central government as was seen in the past.